Hello guys, I'm here to show you a demo of our proof of concept of our application, Google Cloud Print. And what this application is supposed to do is give give printouts to printers directly using Google Cloud Print API, so that you can create a complete platform where service providers can register and provide their printers as a service, and users can log in and select any of those printers using their mobile application and give a printout to those printers. So I'll first show you some basic UI mockups so that you have some knowledge of like how this is supposed to be. So this is one of the screenshots, like when users log in to the application, they can check all the nearest printers, check distance and rate on those printers, and based on all these things, they can select any of those printers, give a printout directly from their mobile phone. And these are few UI mockups, like there should be a email ID password for logging in, and you can upload your documents and select any nearest printer, stuff like that. And similarly, you can select number of copies. So right now, as a part of 295A, what we have done is we have done a proof of concept where we have tested APIs through which we can control hardware printers. And these hardware printers can be added to a platform by service providers, and normal users can do login and give printouts directly to them. I'll first go straight to the uh, architecture of our application. So this is our architecture, and our main web service, our own application web server, is hosted on Amazon Web Service. And Amazon Web, this whole web service is interacting with Google Cloud Print API, which in turn is responsible for interacting with hardware printers. So let's take a look. What we have done right now as a part of 295A is we have created a demo web service which interacts with Google Cloud Print API, so that we can just hit this web service, do a GET request, and check if it's giving a printout. And we have implemented it successfully. And we have written a PHP code for that, and this code is deployed on Amazon Web Service EC2 using elastic beanstalk. So I'll show you where it is. So this is our web application hosted on Amazon, and it is a PHP application. So if you want to see like code inside that, so these are all the files, and some of files I can show you so that you have idea how we are doing this. So we have a client ID, and client ID is basically your authentication to Google Cloud Print API, which again like interacts with your hardware printers. So this is our main redirect URL where you can hit, and it will provide you access. This Google client, this ID is basically OAuth token, OAuth authorization, which we have received from Google API. So I can show you over here. So this is my project where I can show you that. So if I go to credentials, I can see over here Google provides me a client ID, associated email address, and certificates which can be used to interact with Google API. So that's what we have used here. And this in turn interacts with your Cloud Print API, and this application interacts with your Cloud Print API, and it gives printout through that. And if we want to see a demo of that, It is just a hit on CloudPrint API. So this is the hit. This page is empty, but it must have given a sample printout to our hardware printer at my place. So if you want to see code of this page index, so what index says is, like, if you have session maintained, then you can just redirect to this particular page. And if we go over here, it has all the code required, where you can get all the printers, you can get response data, you can list all the printers, give a print job to the printer. And there is one sample PDF which is being generated for that sample code. So yeah, that's pretty much. And at later stage, what we really want is to create this whole complete web service, which has various components like email notification service and push notification service, so that when we create a mobile client, it can interact with our own web service. This was the main proof of concept interaction with Google Cloud Print which we required. And we have successfully done this part. Next thing in 295B would be to create this whole web service with all the required components and this mobile client which can interact with web service, and create a complete platform where users can log in, choose printers, and give printouts to those printers. And those printers are actually can be added by any of the service providers. Um, so this whole concept, we have done a proof of concept for this whole project. That's what I really wanted to show. Thank you.